Good morning everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Video this morning. Kind of hoping I wouldn't have to make this video quite so soon, but yeah, in the UK we are in June, 20th of June. So normally, nice hot sunny month. Last week we basically had 4 days of rain, 2 days of which was like heavy rain, crucified a lot of plants. So yeah, let me turn the camera around and show you what I'm kind of dealing with now. That's the remains of my rose bush, but the video is, look at that, that's my peony, absolutely destroyed. So yeah, I thought I'd do a video on how to cut it back basically. Yeah, it's one of those weird ones where when you have a little read up, especially on expert sites like the RHS and things like that, they always say don't cut them back, just leave them until the leaves go brown and yellow in the autumn time before you cut them back. But quite frankly, that's a waste of time, because like with all flowering plants, they then want to set seed, and as most of us know, as soon as a plant starts going into seed production, it takes away a lot of the goodness from the actual plant and the root system, which is essentially what you want. You want a good root system, you want a good plant structure to promote good flower growth for next year. And when you look at how many flowers that has, yeah, I just don't want to go back to how they suggest and sacrifice potentially having a lot of flower every year for keeping the leaves on. Plus, look at it, looks awful. So anyway, I'll show you what I do. Bit of cutting back, but first I think we better remove the bee. Let's get him into a dry position, and then yeah, let's say dry position, stick him on the corners. Come on. Oh, there we are. Right, let's set the camera up and get going. Right. Hopefully you get a clear idea what I'm doing. So as you can see, these are spent flowers, and what I do is I go right the way back into the main plant, and I'm cutting the plant or the stem about a foot above ground level. So we're taking all this out. Just chuck it on one side, and let me grab that. Yeah, let me show you. So where I'm cutting, just above the leaf joint, taking the whole section out. Basically just go around, repeat process. If you've got any that have survived for the time being, they get a stay of execution. can see like that. Well, hopefully you can see that. Let me show you. Yeah, where it's had all the rain on it, it's actually started rotting, so yeah, you're best off getting shot of that anyway. Yeah. So that's got all the dead flowers out for the time being. You can see that actually. Oh, now we've got the dead ones out. You can see some of these beauties. Yeah, check out that. Right, well, that's how I look after the peonies. So yeah, probably another week or two's time I'll be able to cut back the rest of these flowers. Once the whole plant is cut back to about a foot, then I'll give it a feed. I tend to give the peonies an acidic feed actually. Just sort of found they seem to benefit from that. Yeah, give them a feed and then leave them do their thing till we get to the autumn time, and then, well, sort of treat them as normal. But anyway, that's what I do. So yeah, hope you found the video of interest. Any questions, just send them over to me and I'll get back to you with hopefully some answers. Yeah, keep subscribing to the channel. Great to see some new people following what I'm doing, and don't forget to hit that reminder button if you want to be made aware of all my future videos that I'm doing. In the meantime, enjoy your garden, have fun, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.